Hi, my name is Jet Baranov. Yes, that Baranov. My dad is Vlad Baranov, the billionaire tech tycoon from Silicon Valley. He sent me to a nature wilderness camp for the summer that pretty much sucked. The food sucked, vegetarian everything, including the burgers. They were disgusting, trust me. And the very worst part was no tech. I was totally cut off from the outside world with none of my pastimes to keep me busy. It wasn't all bad. I met some cool people, Grace, Brooklyn, and Terrell. And the best part was this little guy, Nibbles. As he's a lizard that I found outside on the campus. We took him to a secret building where we take care of him and feed him. But the main lesson that I learned is that these guys, the camp counselors, nobody is what they seem. I smell a rat. Read Unplugged by Gordon Corman to find out who the rat is and what it is they do that is so ratty.